Hello students. Today I am going to continue explanation of chapter 3 Interdepartmental and Employee Related Correspondence. In my previous video I have explained you employee related correspondence. In this I have explained you meaning of promotion, reason for promotion, meaning of transfer, objectives of transfer and model letter for transfer. Today I am going to explain you meaning of demotion. Monitor the way of working, performance and behavior of employees is also an important facet of management. When any employee is unable to perform the job according to the designation, then the employee is put at the lower rank from his or her present designation. This change is known as demotion. Due to demotion, there is a reduction in the pay scale, authority, prestige, responsibility, etc. are reduced. Circumstances related to demotion. A decision of demotion is taken under the following circumstances. Number 1. In spite of repeatedly drawn attention, the employee neglects duty. Number 2. Continuous reduction in the efficiency of the employee. Number 3. Some of serious malpractice is performed by the employee. 4th. Repeated breach of discipline by an employee. It is necessary to clarify the reason for demotion in the correspondence related to demotion. Indiscipline, malpractice or breach of rule will be thoroughly examined and final decision will be taken. This should be mentioned in the letter. The letter should also clarify the changed pay scale, rent and allowances, perks, etc. Letter regarding demotion is an undesirable step, but it is to be taken when necessary. Model letter regarding demotion. Here, name of the company is printed on the letterhead, Veerbhadra Estate House. Then on the right hand side address of the company is printed. Then date, month and year of writing letter is to be written. Then on the left hand side phone number and email address is printed. Then comes subject. Here the subject is placing an employee into a lower grade. Then comes salutation, sir, and then body of the letter. You are placed to the post of a junior accountant and you have been relieved from your present designation as a senior accountant with an immediate effect from 11th May 2017. This instruction is to be followed promptly. It has come to the notice of the higher authorities that you have been involved in those kinds of activities which do not suit with the grace of your status of a senior officer since the last few months. Of late, it has been known that you are associated with the activities damaging the dignity of the post of senior accountant. Primary evidences in this regard has also been obtained, and in this context, your attention was also drawn through the letter dated 8th April 2017, but no explanation has been received from your side. Considering this matter as a breach of discipline, the administrative department has decided to place you to the lower designation and grade as a measure of punishment and take serious note of it. Through the letter, you are given opportunity to improve, but if there is no positive change in your work, then you should be well aware that the company also holds powers to relieve you from service. If you wish, you can clarify the matter in this regard to your HR manager within 3 days. Then closure on the right hand side, yours sincerely, name, designation and signature. Completion of service. Employee and employer are aware of the conditions of the completion of service. The consequences of being relieved from a job and dismissal from job are the same, yet there is wide difference in the procedure of both. Regarding dismissal of employee, normally any organization thinks comprehensively before taking the drastic step of removing an employee from service. Before taking this decision, many correspondences have to occur between the employee and the employer. But when the employer does not find the clarification given by the employee satisfactory, then the management decides to dismiss the employee from service. When a department of the company is to be merged or discontinued, or the unit may be converted into fully automatic unit, or if the contract is over, for such reasons the situations of relieving of the employee arises. So, to maintain the dignity of the employee who has served the organization for a long time and to maintain cordial relations between both the parties, Voluntary Retirement Scheme VRS is introduced. All retirement benefits are also taken care of. Whenever an employee is found disclosing confidential matter to the competitor or being non-cooperative or is indisciplined, he or she is relieved of his or her duty with immediate effect without any benefits of retirement. Regarding relieving from job, resignation. Sometimes an employee prefers to discontinue the job for his or her personal reasons. Resignation means an employee's written declaration to give up one's service willingly. When the employee is getting a better and higher opportunity in other organization, or his or her ill health or personal reasons don't permit him or her to work, a difference of opinion arises with the management, or he or she is accused of false charge, or he or she is migrating with the family. The employee submits his or her resignation from service and receives all financial benefits and rights due to him. Model letters pertaining completion of service. Number 1. Letter informing about completion of service. Here, name of the company is printed on the letterhead, Garvi Gujarat India Private Limited. Then on the right hand side, address of the company is printed. Then date, month and year of writing letter is to be written. Then on the left hand side, phone number and email ID is printed. Then on the left hand side, name and address of receiver is written. Then comes subject. Here the subject is completion of service. Then comes salutation on the left hand side. Here, sir, and then body of the letter. You are well aware that your appointment as a sales executive, which was sanctioned on contractual basis for the period of 2 years, expires on 30th November 2017. Your appointment was made to canvass and spread the products of the company in the 3 districts of the North Gujarat. Your quarterly sales summary shows that you have popularized the products in North Gujarat. You have been successful in developing a market for our product. The management is highly pleased and satisfied with your performance. On the last day of your duty, you will be given a certificate of appreciation along with amount that is due to you. Then best wishes for your bright and progressive career. Then on the right hand side, closure, yours faithfully, name and designation. Second, letter of order of compulsory retirement from service. Here the name of the company is printed on letterhead, Saurashtra Cooperative Bank Limited. Then on the right hand side, address is printed. Then date, month and year of writing letter is to be written. Then on the left hand side, here phone number is printed. Then comes on the left hand side, name and address of receiver. Then comes subject. Here the subject is order for compulsory retirement from service. Then on the left hand side, salutation, sir, and then body of the letter. In the context of the above mentioned subject, a committee was appointed to make a departmental inquiry regarding the serious charges of financial malpractices made against you. As per the committee report, all charges have been proved, so an order has been issued to terminate your service with immediate effect for compulsory retirement. It may be noted that on humanitarian ground, post-retirement benefits are not being curtailed. Then on the right hand side, closure, yours sincerely, name, designation and signature. Then on the left hand side, copy to account department. I hope you have understood this chapter. Your homework is select correct option for the following questions. Answer the following questions in one sentence. Answer the following questions to the point. Draft the letter considering the following information. Thank you.